Thanks, I really appreciate that. Have a nice day.
Donations for Winter Woolly Week!
Come on, put all your money here, we only take notes, eh?
Winter Woolly Week!
Okay, thanks so much, for charity.
Thanks a lot. Cheers, bud. Cheers.
See my try?
Hey, thanks so much. Thank you. That lady's got money. Look. Have a nice day, eh?
Thank you.
This is hard work, but you know what? It's very rewarding.
Oh, you're wonderful,
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your day.
Ah, bless your soul. Thank you very much.
I love doing it simply because I love giving back to the community.
And I think there's a lot of need out there. We know all the situations that exist in this country of ours. So it's just a blessing to give back.
Oh, we've got lots of money, more to make. Still a little bit dark out here, but it's great. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm so privileged and glad to be part of GM because every year they do this, and to be part of such a good initiative, that's a great thing to do.
It's so amazing and it's so good, and I'm impressed with GM.
It could be a cold day, but what's happening here is very warm. It's warm-hearted, the way that the people of Port Elizabeth is opening up their wallets to a very good cause, which is putting warm clothes on kids who cannot afford it.
As part of our Winter Woolly Week initiative, we have our employees out at 4 intersections today in Port Elizabeth collecting blankets, non-perishable foods, unwanted clothing and cash, all for community chest to distribute into the needy areas. Morning, Ian. Just want to ask you, what do you think of our GM employees that's out here in the rain this morning sacrificing their time for Winter Woolly Week?
It's great to have some of the GM South Africa team out here this morning doing a little bit to help people who need a lot more than they do.
We're out here with Elvis Hermans from HR and we're here to ask him a few questions. Morning, Elvis.
Good morning, Tanusha.
You're braving the cold weather here today. I see it's raining as well. Are you enjoying it?
I am enjoying it. I'm having fun here. Look, it's for the good cause. South Africans are a loving society. We're doing this for the people who are less fortunate.
Why do you think it's important for General Motors to get involved in initiatives like this?
General Motors, as a responsible corporate citizen, has to do this. It is the right thing to do.
I don't think we could have selected a better day. I think we're putting ourselves in the shoes of what everyone else is going through this winter, those less fortunate than us. So it's great being here and it's great giving back.
Today, as part of Winter Woolly Week, we're out at the malls. We had employees out at Walmer Park Shopping Centre doing a tin collection at each of the entrances. We also did an activation at Baywest Mall where we had an ice rink challenge with Mr. South Africa and Miss PE collecting blankets. And our aim at Baywest this morning is to fill 2 Isuzu buckies with as many blankets as possible, and that's all going to Community Chest to distribute for Winter Woolly Week.
This is the 21st year of the Community Chest Winter Woolly Week, and all the donations that we're receiving will go a long way to help all the needy communities in the Eastern Cape. As Community Chest, we are very proud to have teamed up this year with our sponsors, and this year we really have gone big.
Winter Woolly Week!
I think it's a great initiative and it's great to to partake in these things. I think we've done reasonably well. Got a couple of paper notes here, which is always good.
It's a thrill, I'm enjoying it, and it's a good initiative from GM to actually let us employees to actually come out of our comfort zone in a way, so I'm enjoying it.
It's been going very well. It's cold, but it's nice. It's all good cause and I enjoy it.
It's awesome. Hey, I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. And people are so giving today.
We're having fun and saving the world. Heal the world. Make it a better place. Woo!
And that's all from us from Winter Woolly Week.
Thank you.